See, basically, the vaccines are the ones which will create the immunity in the body. That's the other word for vaccine is vaccination is also called as immunization. That is because they stimulate the body against a particular organism. And when we give this vaccine, there are two ways of giving it. Either you give the killed organisms, the virus or the bacteria, which are given and which will introduce a antibody reaction in the body. So the body will start producing the antibodies, which will stay in the bloodstream, so that in future, when the individual is exposed to the real infection, these antibodies will fight against them. So this is basically, there are two types. The other one is the live vaccines. So when there is a live vaccine, there will be a very small, very minute uh, amount of the organism which will be introduced into the body to create a infection like situation, so that the body will produce the antibody and we will fight against the diseases when they're really exposed to the situation. So this is the basic act of the vaccines. And nowadays, the more of killed vaccines are more than the live vaccine. The only example of live vaccine what we can give is the polio vaccine, but that also has been slowly, even in India, we are stopping the oral polio vaccine and we are switching more into the kill type of vaccine, that is the IPV. The reason why there is a concern about this live vaccine is that sometimes there may be there has been a thought that when you give live vaccine, it can cause eruption, or there can be chances of the vaccine itself causing a situation where there may be a eruption of that disease in the community. So because of that, now majority of the diseases, majority of the vaccines which are given are the killed vaccines, or the proteins of the particular organisms, like how we have seen in COVID vaccine, which are used to create the antibody in the body.